Cracked, slippery, or worn-out pool steps aren't just an eyesore, they're a serious safety hazard. But don't worry, there's a solution. Replacing your in-ground pool steps can make your pool safer, more functional, and even more stylish. In-ground pool steps often need replacement due to wear and tear, damage, or simply as part of a pool renovation. Whether you have a vinyl liner pool or a concrete one, there are options available to suit your needs. When it comes to choosing new steps, you have several options. Drop-in steps are the easiest and most cost-effective for existing pools. Integrated or custom-built steps, on the other hand, can seamlessly blend into your pool's design. The choice depends on your pool's current layout and your personal preferences. Now, let's talk about the replacement process. First, you'll need to drain the pool. This is necessary to access the existing steps and install the new ones properly. Then the old steps are removed, and the area is prepared for the new installation. One popular option for new steps is water jet installation. This method not only looks great, but also provides therapeutic benefits and helps with water circulation. It's definitely worth considering if you're looking to add a touch of luxury to your pool. Replacing pool steps can be challenging, especially in an existing pool. It requires careful planning and often professional expertise. The cost can vary widely, from around $4,500 for basic fiberglass steps to over $10,000 for custom-built options. For those on a budget, there are unique repair and refinishing services available. These can restore your existing steps without the need for a full replacement, saving you both time and money. If you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast, be cautious about installing vinyl over steps during a liner replacement. This task requires precise measurements and careful execution to avoid wrinkles or imperfections. In the end, replacing your in-ground pool steps is an investment in safety and enjoyment. New steps can dramatically improve your pool's appearance and functionality, making every swim a more pleasant experience. So if your pool steps are showing signs of wear, don't wait. Upgrade them and dive into a safer, more enjoyable pool experience.